Hi, good morning, students. I'm here back with my geography lecture to you all of lesson number 6, Importance of Oceans. Since we have completed two videos on the explanation of the lesson Importance of Oceans, here I am with you with some of the question answers of textual exercises and also from the lesson. So we can move ahead with all the question sets that I've put up, including the points to remember of this lesson. Points to remember, there are some points listed from the lesson which are more important for you to just revise the lesson in short. Even some key points will be noted, like it includes all water bodies. Since we have discussed this particular statement in the first video on the first slide itself, the water bodies that exist on the earth is hydrosphere. And how much percent of global water is contained in oceans? 97.7%. Now volcanic eruptions occurs on lands and oceans. We have seen this in the video clipping of a second part where I have shown you images of land and oceans where the volcanic eruptions are shown. Aquatic animals found in oceans are many, but we have to just write some to understand, just to recollect the points from the lesson. Some are microscopic planktons, huge whales, even fishes, and many more. Units of measurement of salinity, it's mils, I said. It's particle per second, sorry, per thousand. Now, points to remember again. Further, we move ahead with average salinity of ocean water is 35 mils, that is 35 particles per thousand. Countries with coastline and which depends on sea for their livelihood, Seychelles and Mauritius, Maldives. Controller of global temperature, oceans. Most economic option for transportation is oceans. Since I said you, it was ancient when only oceans were the major part, but slowly and gradually roadways also had its own place and railways had its place. But actually, when it is taken up as per economic option in a low cost, it's ocean itself. Precious things we get from sea, pearls and corals. Fill in the blanks. I have put some questions of fill in the blanks from the lesson, but there are many when you go through. This is for revision purpose, hence I've put some of the fill in the blanks, maybe 5 to 6. So let's see what are these which I have put up in this video. If you want to review back, you watch the video of the lesson part 1 and part 2 again, so that you can get revised with all the topics which is not covered in exercise, but you will be getting it from the lectures or lessons that I've taught in my part 1 and part 2. So first one here is the ocean with an area of 16 crore 62 lakhs 40,977 square kilometer is the Pacific Ocean. Likewise, we have for Southern Ocean, like Indian Ocean and all. Just go through it. Salinity is expressed in terms of mils. What is mils? Particles per thousand. Winds blowing due to pressure difference in the belts is called planetary winds. About how much percent of surface of earth is occupied by water? 70.8%. The salinity of Dead Sea, that is the highest, is 332 per mils, particles per thousand. Pollution of ocean water is caused due to oil spills. Now odd man out. Shellfish, crab, ship. Of course, it's ship because other things are from like aquatic animals. Ship is one thing we use for transportation or moving from one place to another. Similarly, I have put some more questions like Arabian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Dead Sea, Caspian Sea, Dead Sea because the highest quantity of salt is there in Dead Sea. So Sri Lanka, India, Norway, Peru, Sri Lanka. So similarly, some more questions are put up down here. You can go through it and write it in your books for study purpose. Name the followings. Again, I have put up a slide for name the following, which is from your text as well as from the lesson. Various questions. Go through it, write it in your book for reviewing and for learning purpose. All these questions you can even find from the lesson that I've taught, but for recollecting purpose, I have put it in the exercise also. Answer in one sentence each. Which items does man get from oceans? Many, like salt, fish, shells, other products like mineral, iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, manganese, chromium, zinc, mineral oil, natural gas are the items man get from oceans. What happens when aquatic animals die? When aquatic animals die, their remains accumulate in the oceans. Again, how salt is obtained, we have already seen in the video. I have put it in the answer format. And cause of pollution, there are many, but I have put one. If for your review purpose, you can write more than one as well. Some more questions in brief answers. Apart from one sentence, I have put up which are from your exercise as well as from the lesson. Please make it a point to write it in your books for your record purpose or for studying whenever there is no net or any disconnection. If you have these notes in your written format, you can study it better, or else you can save the video by downloading it from the YouTube. But students, I would ask you all to write it to complete your notes as well. Why there is a difference in the climate of regions close to the oceans and regions far away from the oceans? Very, very important questions, where the concepts here I have taught is so clear, which we have already seen in the second part of the lesson of ocean currents, planetary winds, where we are learning about the temperature in coastal areas, how it's done with water vapors and evaporation process. All these things are listed here in point wise. Make it a point to write in points when you're writing brief answers, even in your notebook and in your exams. Which I said just before, one cause of pollution was there in the question. Here I have listed all the causes of pollution to oceanic water. All the 7 points, even you have to write it in your book in capital letters. The first one, then oil spills, like first one, releasing the waste, materials thrown out from ships, exploitative fishing, cutting of mangrove forest in coastal areas, disaster caused by industries and cities, excavation carried out in seas. The last question of this lesson, what are planetary events? In one sentence I have given in the video, and I have explained the entire concept in oral. Here I have written that concept in written format for your exercise purpose, for your study purpose. You can also go through it and write it in your books. Thank you very much to watch the video if you have understood, and please make it a point to note it in your notebook all the questions from points to remember till the answer in short. Thank you.